Hi guys, my name is Stephanie, and officially as of 4 days ago, I have started a new weight loss journey. I have started walking every day, at least 4 times around the track, which most of you know is a mile. And I have also been participating in the 30-day squat challenge, which actually I started yesterday. And I have also been taking lately the pills recommended by Dr. Oz, which is the Pure Green Extract pills. And I had noticed the first day that I took the pills that I have lost a pound. But altogether in 4 days, I have lost a total of 4 pounds off of that. So I'm pretty happy about that. I'm doing good. But altogether, I started off at the total weight of 254. And as of right now, I am 228.6. So I'm very proud of myself. And I'm really trying to keep myself going. I haven't set a total goal weight of what's the smallest I want to go to. But every month, I'm just pushing myself. Right now, my first month goal weight is 20 pounds. And the next month, if I reach that, I'm going to try for 25 pounds and so on and so on. And I'm going to go from there so I can be my own motivation. So, yes, I guess maybe you're follow along with me through this weight loss journey and you can see how far I will go. There's no telling. As long as I have motivation, there's nothing that'll be able to stop me. So, if you want, subscribe. If not, it's okay. But thank you, and I guess I'll see you when you see a new me.